Okay, so we're about 6 months deep into the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and guess what? Samsung's already moving on. Classic. The Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 just landed, but people are already buzzing about what's next. And yeah, all eyes are on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now here's where it gets interesting. The new Ultra is rumored to be thinner and lighter than the S25, which sounds pretty sweet, but Samsung's apparently not stopping there. They're also making the screen bigger. Again. Remember how the S25 Ultra went from 6.82 inches to 6.86? Not a huge leap, but they managed it by shaving down the bezels instead of making the phone bigger. Smart move. And now the word is Samsung might nudge the display up to 6.89 inches for the S26 Ultra. That's just 0.03 more, but when your bezels are already crazy thin, every fraction matters. They'd have to cut the bezel from 1.2 millimeters down to 1.15 millimeters to pull it off. On paper, that sounds like nothing. But in real life, it'll definitely make the screen feel more immersive. And yeah, they'll probably round up and slap a 6.9-inch label on it to make it sound cleaner. Also, fun fact, Apple's reportedly trying something similar with the iPhone 16 Pro, using some fancy new screen tech to make the bezels smaller and the display brighter without draining the battery. So yeah, looks like we've got a bit of a bezel war going on. But here's my take. The S25 Ultra is already a massive phone. It's great for watching videos, gaming, whatever, but for regular use, it's basically a two-hander, making it even bigger, not exactly a win for portability. Hopefully Samsung tweaks the shape or lightens it up a bit so it's less of a brick. And let's not pretend the S25 Ultra was flawless. The camera changes didn't really blow anyone away, and battery life, still just okay. If the early leaks are right, it doesn't look like those things are getting major upgrades in the S26 Ultra either. The focus now seems to be all about design and feel. So here's the real question. Do we actually need more screen on a phone that's already huge? Or should Samsung start prioritizing stuff like battery improvements and real camera innovation? Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Till next time, take care of yourself.